guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get crafting with Supreet Kaur. And today we are going to make this beautiful photo frame that might look complicated but is really easy to make. So let's get started. So the material required to make this photo frame is 4 squares. The smallest one is of 7 by 7 centimeter. This one is 15 by 15 centimeters. And these two are of the same size, that is 20 by 20 centimeters. Next up is quick pics, Fevicol. Then you need some scissors, pencil, some markers, compass, and some more paper. Now starting with the biggest square, take one corner of the square and roll it into a pipe as tightly as you can. And after that, secure it with glue. After this, take other square of the same size and divide it into 4 equal squares as shown. Now cut these squares out, and after that, roll each of these squares into a pipe, as we did before. Remember to roll these pipes as tightly as you can. Now take the square of 15 by 15 centimeters and repeat the same procedure as we did with the previous one. Now all we need to do is get these 3 sets of pipes together. Don't forget the smallest square because that is the base of our photograph. So take the smallest square and paste it on the longest rod that we have. Remember to place the square in the middle of the rod. So now take the small pipe and paste it as shown. Also guys, I'll recommend using a strong adhesive if you don't have quick fix. Now take the longer pipe and paste it as shown. Turn the frame over the other side and repeat the same procedure. Now turn the frame upside down and again repeat the same procedure. Apply more quick fix if you think it is required, and after that leave this frame for around 5 to 10 minutes so that the quick fix can dry. Now comes my favorite part, flowers. Now take a circle of 2 centimeters of radius, fold it as shown and then fold it again. And then fold it again in such a way so that the marked lines meet each other. a little bit by your fingers and a flower is ready. Make as much of these flowers as you want so that you can decorate the photo frame. I've made some big and small flowers accordingly. You guys can go creative with the decoration of the photo frame as the way you want it. I really liked how these flowers turned out to be. They look like, small cherry blossoms. So this is the end result. You guys can just add a double tape in the back side of the frame and just paste it on the wall. If you want to keep the frame at the table or so, I have made this self stand, and for this take a sheet of paper and divide it into 3 parts and just fold it into a triangle as shown. Now paste it at the back side of the frame. To make it more steady, I have added 2 more pipes of these paper so that it becomes more steady. You guys can do it, and if you don't have enough paper, so you guys can skip this part. It's up to you. Leave it for some time to dry and we are done. So guys, please do tell your thoughts about this photo frame in the comment sections below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.